After years of living in Los Angeles, Katharina and I felt a strong desire for change. We were looking to create a space that nurtures connection, sparks creativity, and fosters a true exchange of ideas. That's when the idea for Black Forest House 1650 was born. Beyond its physicality, BFH 1650 is not just a place, it's a meticulously curated space designed to foster connection, encourage creativity, and to facilitate collaboration. After a 4-year renovation, the house retained its harmonious connection to the landscape, while also revealing a modern transformation, which embodies a design that defies temporal boundaries. It bridges the gap between eras to provide a space that is both classic and forward-looking. It invites you not only to be present, but to become part of its narrative. Interestingly, the house is just a few years older than Gaggenau, which was founded nearby in the Black Forest in 1683. Stepping into the kitchen is like stepping into a timeless story. The deliberate choice of black steel throughout the kitchen creates a harmonious blend of old and new. It seamlessly unites the modern elegance of the stainless steel appliances with the historic essence of the exposed wood elements. It is a haven that's both stylish and inviting, perfect for creating culinary delights. At Black Forest House 1650, every detail is meticulously considered, from the enticing aroma of culinary delights to the carefully arranged visual elements. Every moment is orchestrated with meticulous attention to detail, aiming to provide a rich sensory experience and preserve lasting memories.